Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, this is Fred. Don't worry, Mookie will be along shortly. We got a great episode today. I'm going to take a try at making bacon lattice pizza in my pizza oven. And just in case it bursts into flames, after that we're going to go to Calgary and get some takeout. And I'm going to try Tim Horton's new pizza. And I'll be reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. And we're going to have some Tim Hortons pizza just in case this pizza doesn't turn out. But first up, we're going to make a drink. This is called an Apple Jackrabbit, and I'm getting it from liquor.com. So I'm going to do it martini style. So I got my martini glass chilling with ice. And I have an apple garnish. This is a good tip. Right now it's just soaking in the lemon juice that I'm going to use in the drink so it doesn't turn brown. But if you're going to use an apple garnish, make sure you use acidulated water, rub a little lemon on it so it doesn't turn brown. So we got 3/4 ounces of fresh lemon juice, 3/4 ounces of OJ, a 1/2 ounce of maple syrup. I'm from Canada, so we just drink this stuff. We do shots. 2 ounces of apple brandy. I had some nice apple brandy from the Eau Claire Distillery. Distilled, it says distilled, matured, and bottled in Alberta, Canada. So 2 ounces of apple brandy. I will just finish it off. And strain that into my chilled martini glass. And then I got the nice apple wedge as a garnish. And remember, don't have a brown apple wedge. So put in acidulated water or a little lemon. Great tip. All right, so coming up next, I'm going to take my stab at bacon lattice pizza in my pizza oven. And then stay till the end where I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. And we're going to Tim Hortons to try their pizza. So check it out. All right, well, it turned out better than I thought it would. I just thought it would burst into flames with all the bacon fat on there. So I just got to cut out the burnt bits. I guess that's the good learning lesson. The pizza was so big I had trouble twisting it, and then the part closest to the flame got burnt. So if you don't want to just cut out the burnt bits. All right, we got a perfectly good bacon lattice pizza. So this is definitely Appies with Chappy by the lake worthy. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I got my bacon lattice pizza. I wouldn't call it a complete success, but I wouldn't call it a complete failure either. It was a little big, so I had trouble maneuvering it, and I got the ends closest to the flame burnt, but I just cut the burnt ends off, and I've already tried a couple pieces. It's quite nice. So we're gonna make a drink to go with our appetizer for Appies with Chappy by the lake. And I'm going to do a Gum Drop Martini. So I already rimmed my martini glass with sugar. And I'm going to shake this drink up. So put a little ice in my cocktail shaker there. And it calls for 2 ounces of lemon flavored rum. So I just got some Cruzan aged rum, and I infused it with lemon. It's been infusing for several days. So I got my own lemon flavored rum. So that's 2 ounces of lemon flavored rum. An ounce of vodka. A half ounce of Southern Comfort, it says half a teaspoon of dry vermouth, so I'll just do a splash, and then a half ounce of lemon juice. I got a nice fresh lemon, so I'm just going to do the juice of a half lemon. All right, we'll give that a shake up. And I'm going to strain that on in again to my sugar rimmed glass. I got a nice lemon wedge as a garnish. And that's a Gum Drop Martini to go with my Bacon Lattice Pizza that I did in my outdoor pizza oven. So coming up next, Mookie and I are going to Tim Hortons, and we're going to see if Tim Hortons pizza is better than my pizza. So check it out.
Need some jalapenos. I think we need more cilantro too.
Science never said that, because how can science know about 7 billion human beings? He said sometimes your kindness that triggered some brain waves that were of an entity that was never recorded before in neuroscience.
Aproveché el embotellamiento del tráfico para poder hacer algunas preguntas.
Stress is up to fear. Stress is caused by something, and then those causes are due to many causes and circumstances, and insight is meant to recognize what are the causes.
Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, and this is Mookie. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.